Welcome you all of another video. In this video we are going to discuss class 9 triangle exercise 7.2 from NCERT. So shall we start our class? Our first sum is, this is the sum number 4 of NCERT 7.2. Our question is, ABC is a triangle ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF two side AC and AB are equal. Then so that what we have to show, case first is triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF, and our case 2 is AB equals to AC, that is ABC is an isosceles. Now see the figure. This is our triangle ABC and BE. BE is altitude and CF. This is BE and this is CF. CF are altitude. Now see how we solve. Our case first. In triangle ABE and triangle ACF. ABE, this is ABE and ACF. In this triangle, BE is equals to CF. Why? Because this is already given in question, equal altitude. And angle, this one, BAE, this one, and angle CAF. These angles are common in both triangles. You write BAE is equals to CAE. Why? This is common. And angle BEA is equals to this one. BEA, this one is 90. Angle CFA 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF by AAS congruency. When triangle are congruent, then we said what? Then case 2. From case first, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. When triangle are congruent, therefore by CPCT what we said? Therefore AB equals to AC. Why? By CPCT. This is the solution of our first problem of exercise 7.2. Next, we have to solve our next sum is, this is question number 7. ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle A is 90 degree and AB equals to AC. Then find angle B and angle C. This is the question. Now, first of all, to draw the right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. We know that a right angle triangle is those triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. In given question, angle A is 90 degree. Then we have to find angle B and C, and AB equals to AC. This is already given in question. Now see how we solve this question. In triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. This is given. And AB equals to AC. This is already given. AC. When AB equals to AC, then we know that angle B equals to angle C. Why? We know that angle opposite to equal side of triangle are equal. We know that since angle A is 90 degree, therefore sum of remaining two angle is 90 degree. If one angle is 90, then remaining two angles whose sum is 90 degree. Hence we said what? Hence angle B equals to angle C is 45 degree. I hope this solution is clear to you. Please watch the video properly and practice these sums, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.